Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 2. Resource pack, page number 11 and 12. The topic is subtraction with borrowing. Now look at your book. Write your name here and the date. The topic is subtraction with borrowing. Question number 1 has done for you, and the question number 2, 7, 3, 1, 5. 3 and 5 in unit, 7 and 1 in tens. Now look at here. You have the first digit 7 and the second 3. The first subtraction word is 1 and then 5. Now look at here. You have first digit 3 and then the second is 5. So how can you subtract 5 from 3? 3 is less than 5. So you have to borrow 1 from this. Now you have to take 1 from 7. When you will borrow 1 from 7, it will not become 4. It will become 13. 1 and 3 will 13. 13. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And look at here. It will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because 1 have given to the 3. So 6 left. Now subtract 5 from this 13. Subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you will subtract 5 from 13, the answer will be 8. Now subtract 1 from the 6. Now subtract 1 from the 6. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the answer? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 58. Now look at here. The digit 3, digit 5 in the table of unit. 7 and 1 in tens. Now you have to subtract 5 from 3. You can't subtract 5 from 3 because 3 is less than 5. So you will borrow 1 from the 7. So here the 6 left. Now 13. Write 13 here and 6 here. Now subtract 5 from the 13. The answer will be 8. Subtract 1 from the 6. The answer will be 5. The answer is 58. 5 tens, 8 unit. 58. Now question number 3. 8, 7, 4, 9. Now you have to subtract 9 from the 7. 7 is less than 9, then you will borrow 1 from this 8. The value will become 17. And the 7 left here. We have written here 7 and 17. Now subtract 9 from this 17. The answer will be 8. Subtract 4 from this 7. The answer will be 3. Now you have all the questions here. Solve it by your own self and match the answers with it. Now on the other page, page number 12, write your name here and then date. Now question A, subtract 77 from 463. I have already done it, so I will explain the part F. Subtract 9 from 9. The answer is 0. subtract 4 from 2. You can't subtract 4 from 2 because 2 is less than 4, so you will borrow 1 from this 1, so 0 left. From 12 you have to subtract 4. The answer is 8. Now here 0 left, so 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So nothing left. The answer is 80. So the part G, the next one, subtract 8 from 1. Now 1 is less, you can't subtract 8. So you will borrow 1 from this. You have to subtract 8 from 1. So 1 is less than 8, so you can't subtract. You will take borrow from this 0. 0 has no value, so it will also take 1. 0 will take 1 or borrow 1 from the digit 3. So here 2 will left. Now it will become 10. So subtract 1. Here 9 left and it will become 11. 11 subtract 8, the answer is 3. 9 subtract 9, the answer is 0. 2 left, so 2 will come here. Now here is all the answers. Solve it by your own self and then you can match the answers.